I purchased a tool on Amazon called the Vortex. I paid about $43 for it. It's a little bit cheaper than the Tornador Black, and I've been watching the reviews on this Vortex. I normally use a different type of trigger gun for the air compressor, and I decided to try one of these because of the reviews, and quite a few people who have posted on social media seem to be very satisfied with the product. I heard that these will break over time, I guess from dropping it on the concrete or on the floor, and if this cracks, I don't know if you can buy the replacement, but part of this review was for me to see if a different manufacturer that makes cleaning guns also can use this. And you know what? I think I solved the issue. That if this breaks, I have a backup. I like this better anyway because this kind of traps the dirt. Like if you're trying to clean down inside of a cup holder, this spreads out like a fan, and the liquid will not splash back up on you as much as something that doesn't have these bristles to protect the surface. And I want to try something right now while I got my air compressor. I'm here at my shop. Just want to test this out. I need to change. Look at all that. Cleaning the dust. There you have it. I know I'll be satisfied with this product. It's still very sturdy, and I usually have the type that carry the fluid container under the bottom, and if you have fluid in it, you can't turn it upside down or it'll just spill on the console or on the seats, and you got another job to do. But this right here, I like the fact that I can go in different places under the seats and try to blow debris from in between tight places. So there you have it for this review. I just wanted to read that review. I just got this, and I'll be putting it to use.